Hi, I'm Kevin, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Hi, I'm Russ Festino, and this is another great episode of Russ Cam. We're filming this live here at Orlando Code Camp. Oh man, what a venue, what a conference. This is huge. They had over 750 people register for this. It's bigger every year. I know it's one of the largest .NET code camps in the entire country.
My name is Kevin Griffin. I am a technical evangelist for ComponentOne. I'm from the Chesapeake, Virginia area, and I came here to speak today.
Well, yeah, I was going to say, you got a speaker shirt on there, so what did you speak about today? Did you go yet, or?
I've done one. Yeah. I have one coming up. My first session was Zero to Hero in jQuery.
Yeah.
So it's all, if you've never used jQuery before, we'll teach you how to use it from the ground up.
Nice.
My next session is on SignalR, and that's the last session of the day.
What's that?
So SignalR is a asynchronous signaling library for .NET. So the best use case is if you want to build a real-time web application. So you want the server to be able to push data to your web app. Without having to go to the server first. That's what SignalR is really good at. It can send data to your web app without you having to pull for data.
Does it ever end? I mean,
it never ends.
It's just like there's so many new things all the time.
Yeah.
You know, it's like
always a new problem. This is a great code camp.
Yeah.
I am impressed by the number of people.
My name is Jonas Stawski. This is my second time in Russ Cam TV.
Yeah.
Windows 8 tablet. There you go.
That is beautiful.
Yeah,
you liking it?
Beautiful. Yeah,
you
it's awesome. Actually, they made a lot of progress on with the consumer preview.
Cool, man. Are you doing any sessions here?
I am. I'm actually presenting on Windows Phone 7. I'm going into details on the architecture of what I call my successful app, Champions League Tracker. So we're going to dig into the code and the architecture and how it's developed a real app.
Well, that's what it's all about, man. This is a code camp, right?
Exactly.
That's how they started out.
Yep.
Focusing on the code and never look back after that. So, you've been looking at ActiveAnalysis, huh?
I have. One of my clients actually had a need to allow their users to to create their own reports.
Yeah.
So we looked into ActiveAnalysis. It's great. People are just dragging and dropping, the columns around and creating their own reports, and they love it. They love it.
They loved it, huh? After they saw it, they said, "We want this." Is that what they said?
Yeah. It's like when I showed them, it's like, "Wow, this is amazing." You know, I was showing them, and they were asking me questions. Things about business, and we go, you know what? Let's check it out. And I just drag the things like, there's your answer. You know, so that blew them away.
It's definitely a hidden gem, you know, in the tool stack. That's for sure.
It shouldn't be hidden anymore.
It shouldn't be.
Exactly.
We should expose this baby and get everybody. You want to make some money? There you go. Get our component, right? ActiveAnalysis. Wire it up to a data source. Drag and drop and you're done, right? That's it. You got yourself a BI dashboard.
And the best part is you can connect to an SSAS cube. You can connect to your database, relational database. You can connect to a local file cube. I mean, it's amazing. It's basically drag and drop. It's awesome.
That's cool.
I just came here to check out the code camp in Orlando. Looks like a good group of people. Ross is always here with Cam, just keeping everybody up to date. Good to see him here, and good sessions, and looking forward to see all the sessions and learn some new stuff and get some good connections. If you didn't make it here, make sure you come here next time. It's happening. There's a lot of people.
Cool, man. Now you're up in Jacksonville, right?
Yes, sir.
And how's things going up there with the user group?
Very good. JAXDUG is growing. Looks like there's a lot more people coming in.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've been up there.
Yeah.
And I'll have to come up to that group again. And
Russ, you need to come. We miss you, man.
What are you up to now? What are you doing?
I'm doing a lot of new MVC websites, and working for an employer called Discover Tech. Really interesting projects, good management, good bunch of people, good team to work with.
My name is Matt Trask. I'm a longtime software developer, mostly C and assembler, low-level stuff.
And Matt, where are you from?
Right now I'm in Boca Raton, South Florida.
Yeah, so we saw you down at the South Florida Code Camp.
That's right.
And you were just telling me a little story how they hoodwinked you into speaking over here. How did that come about?
It's just a little bit of bribery. They gave me this lovely little system called the Spider FEZ.
Yeah.
Spider FEZ is an embedded development system for .NET Micro Framework. It's a complete system with all the components. It's got a touch screen and a CPU board and joysticks and buttons and LEDs and a video camera. And it's all programmed in .NET.
Wow. And what session are you doing here?
Today's session is called So You Want to Be an Inventor. It's all about embedded .NET development using NetDuinos, using the Spider FEZ, the .NET Gageteer, the PIC64, which is a tiny little game console that uses a NetDuino. So this is all about how to do physical computing where you reach out and touch the world. And,
in areas where you don't traditionally think of doing it.
Exactly, but it's all connected by the network, of course. So this is the way that your software touches the real world.
This episode of Russ Cam is brought to you by ActiveAnalysis from GrapeCity PowerTools. ActiveAnalysis from GrapeCity PowerTools brings you out-of-the-box business intelligence. We've done the coding for you. Enjoy pivot tables, charting, and visual analysis and user tools all in one powerful product. Integrate rich business intelligence into your .NET application without writing lots of code. Go to gcpowertools.com right now to download your free trial of ActiveAnalysis. Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news, plus follow us on Twitter and Facebook.
Hi, I'm Mark, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Russ Cam! Woohoo! Yeah, baby! TX Tech Control rocks!
Hi, I'm Matt Trask, and you're watching Russ Cam.
One of my clients actually had a need to allow their
Put my arm out next time. There we go.
Hi, I'm Jonas. You're watching Russ Cam.
All right, baby. Yeah, baby.